Oradea Airport is the first air gate of Romania. Situated south of Oradea at a distance of 6 kilometers from downtown, Oradea Airport attends, including Bihor County and its adjacent areas, on a 60 kilometers range, a number of 750 inhabitants. Strategically located in the area of Central and Eastern Europe, 250 kilometers of Budapest, 650 kilometers of Bucharest, and 400 kilometers of Vienna and Belgrade, Oradea Airport offers the ideal connections for business and holidays. The destinations currently practiced from Oradea Airport are Bucharest, Munich, Stuttgart, Paris, Rome, Torino, Bologna, Venice, Bari, Athens, and Chisinau. Domestic flights to Bucharest operate daily except Saturdays, and international flights operate daily except Sundays. Through the existing connections with the big hubs, Oradea Airport gives the possibility to travel to every destination in the world. The airlines that operate regular flights on Oradea Airport are Carpat Air and Tarom. Beside the regular flights, numerous private charter flights, international and domestic, operate on Oradea Airport. Eurowings airline also operate charter flights from Germany to Oradea. The number of aircraft movements has grown with approximately 5% in 2006 comparing to 2005, the number of charter flights growing with 17% comparing to the foregoing year. The number of passengers on domestic and international flights has also grown comparing to the past year. The normal airport operational hours are 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. local time. On request, operational conditions according to necessities can be ensured. According to the International Civil Aviation Organization standards, Oradea Airport is situated in the 5th category. The airport infrastructure is located on a 160-hectare area and contains the following components: runway with a length of 1800 meters, taxiway, apron with an area of 60 times 158 meters, passenger terminal with a surface of 1300 square meters and a processing capacity of 300 passengers per hour, ILS Category 2 air navigation system, lighting system Category 1 on runway 19 and Category 1 simplified on runway 01, marginal protection, air traffic control tower, thermal power station, central power station, storage rooms, meteorological station, fire station, technical area, public parking lot. Facilities for passengers: radio announcements, coffee and refreshment automatic machines, baggage transportation to or from the aircraft, ticket offices, Carpat Air, Tarom, car rental desk, ATM, baggage carriages free on request, emergency medical assistance, permanent service assistance of passengers with disabilities, passport control, custom formalities, duty-paid shops, parking, hotel reservations on request, air-conditioned waiting room, arrival-departure lounges, VIP lounge, bar, payphone, taxi on request, wireless internet. The normal continuous processing capacity for the operation time of the airport is 150 passengers per hour on arrivals and departures, international and domestic flights. Facilities for airlines: refueling with Jet A1 kerosene, ground power unit, assistance on the movement surface, lavatory service, de-icing, anti-icing, passenger stairs, air traffic control tower assistance, marshalling aircraft in the parking zone, briefing air navigation information, self-briefing, flight planning, RAM handling, services on request for crews, payment with Visa, MasterCard, Surus, Maestro and Europay credit cards for airport and handling services. Development perspectives. The operation capacity of the airport is currently occupied in the ratio of 23%. The airport disposing of the capacity to ensure the operation of an increased traffic up to 3 times the actual level of utilization. The main objective of Oradea Airport is modernization and development to reinforce its actual position regarding the domestic and international passenger traffic. The opening of new connections and the improvement and diversification of the services offered to passengers and airlines are the airport's main goals. The rate of industrial growth of the area is 14% annually, and the share of foreign investments in the city and in the area has come to a rate of growth of 10% in the past years. The maintaining of the mentioned growth rate is estimated for the international traffic as well as for the total number of passengers. The proportion is also kept for the number of aircraft movements, 85% of these being regular flights and the rest charter flights. An important element of the future potential for transport is the growth of demand for touristic services from foreigners for Oradea, connected with Baile Felix Spa and other neighboring touristic areas. Oradea is a city open to many opportunities and interests, for it is a place to attract the holiday makers, cultural and social center, and a propitious field to developing business and industrial activities. The current cultural scene implies performances, classical concerts, exhibitions and fairs. Buildings in the central area of Oradea, of various styles, Baroque, Classicist, Eclectic, Secession, give the city an aura of originality. the bishopric Greek Catholic Palace, the Church with Moon, the Roman Catholic Cathedral, the Baroque Palace, the Hermit's Row, the Black Eagle Palace, with the stained glass passage being the highlights of the city beside the ruins of an old medieval fortress. Baile Felix and Baile Unumai, two famous resorts, renowned for their spas with geothermal waters, can be reached in a 10-minute ride from town. Baile Felix and Baile Unumai offer hotels with all modern conveniences, restaurants, swimming pools and healthcare facilities. An alternative is a 2-hour trip in the Apusen Mountains to the Bear's Cave, where can be admired unique karstic relief forms and also the relics of Ursus peleus, a species which disappeared more than 150,000 years ago, to Stuna de Valle, the Yellow Valley, Padish, the Ponor Citadel and many other picturesque places. Here also you can find the Smaranda Brescu Flying Club, which functions in the airport area and uses a natural runway and specific facilities.